Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening VS Code and bringing up settings immediately. This gets you into the live configuration flow. Use Ctrl+ for the settings UI or Ctrl+Shift+P and type settings to access JSON. Make sure you know if you want editor text, terminal text, or the whole interface scaled because the commands differ. Once done, toggle between GUI and settings. JSON. Making that decision first saves time and prevents accidental global changes later. Now change the specific values. In Settings UI, search for font size, then set Editor. Font size to 14 or 16 depending on readability. This edits Editor. Font size in Settings. JSON. For the terminal, adjust Terminal, integrated, font size so CLI output matches. If you need the entire UI larger, change Window, zoom level by increments of 1, that multiplies interface elements. Make sure to save or let settings sync. After changing values, finish by fine-tuning spacing and quick shortcuts. Use View Right Arrow Appearance, right arrow zoom in or Ctrl+= to temporarily increase size, then set permanent values in Settings. JSON. Adjust Editor. Line height and minimap settings to avoid crowded text. If changes don't appear, make sure workspace settings aren't overriding user settings, and verify font family matches an installed font. Finally, restart VS Code only if necessary. If problems persist, reset window. Zoom level to 0 and reapply values. This often clears stale scaling issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.